YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog with your boy KREW LITT TV, man. So right now we started the vlog a couple days early. It's Thursday. I wasn't supposed to start the vlog until tomorrow, but I just got a haircut, so I feel like I had to come on here and show y'all how we looking and everything. Yeah, I ain't really gonna be here too much. I gotta work at 3 like always during the week. So with that being said, just came to talk to y'all a little bit. So yeah, hope you're having a good day. Hope you're having a blessed day. Make sure I like and subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy. And yeah, let's get into this vlog, bro. No cap. But first things first. I don't know what this vlog gonna be about. I don't know what this vlog gonna have consist of, but I know y'all gonna rock me regardless. So yeah, with that being said, hey man, say man, run the intro.
I'm looking bro, it's getting, I promise. Bitch, I need money no matter the time. Free twin on me, he ain't dropping the dime. He ain't got shit tatted on him, pilot to line. He ain't real OG, he just faking for shine. Ain't talking about no dog, but I'm in with Ken dog.
Translates to a 6830 at 199 spread. From the 574. About something, right? They're going to be chasing here by 2/10 of a second. Searching, flash, both side championship, Ender, flash others. Dallas, Washington. A trip to the semifinals on the line here in top dragstrip, presented by Right Trade. A darn good drag race. Wow. 11 10 stops. We'll go. Let's die. I am certain that the Freeman Racing guys are going to be happy with this. Kickoff, 200ths of a second. He's ready to go. He's ready in the jumping insurance on a really big 372 Ford Mustang. The left leg, hey guys, world champ from last year. Just Jordan last year, jumper. You know how to get yes. All the great things that you put up on starting to get back to farm. What did he do here? And this round goes 543, 199 miles per hour. Top mark.
What's good, YouTube? My channel vlog, boy, Cancer TV, man. So today, it's like 6 o'clock in the afternoon, bro. I went to the Virginia Motorsport Park for drag racing. It was dope, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It was hot though, I ain't gonna lie. But now we at Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna pop my pops, get some food. So yeah, I might be doing for today. I'm vlog tomorrow, do something, but right now that's gonna be it. But if something happens, I'll come back to you later. No cap. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog with your boy KREW TV, man. So today, let's see. It ain't bad. But today, man, started the vlog a little late. It's like 9:30. Damn, it's hot. But it's like 9:30 something. Right now, we just got back to the web ski. Today, I ain't do so much today. I want to get my car washed. I'll throw in a little clip of my car. Whatever. After that, I went home, went to sleep. Came back. No, I went to work out first this morning. Went to see my grandma. Then went to go wash my car. Well, I got my car detailed. Now I was at the Diamond. So, I throw in a little clip of my car wash or whatever. I'll throw a clip in of the fireworks. And yeah, so right now, I'll probably go get some food. 1 second, right quick though. One second, y'all. Hold on. I got y'all. Alright. Yeah, so, we finna go get something to eat. Hold on. Alright, yeah, we're finna go get some food right quick. And then, yeah, we'll get some food, and then we're gonna hit. I don't know what we're gonna do after this, though, for real. Might go to this little car meet, whatever they having. But other than that, if I don't catch on now, I'm gonna catch on tomorrow. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but I'm gonna record regardless. It's been a while since y'all seen the whip, bro. Y'all see, got the lights going in here now. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro. With that being said, amen, say man. Run the intro.
Shawty seen a nigga, she was starstruck. I get money, baby. It's just Starbucks. I like hating, that's what get a nigga bitch fuck.
Alright, man, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to it's the next day from the video. Alright. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. Start the next day. It is the next day, I'm stupid. It's the next day. After sitting in traffic, bro, I got some food. But the music was playing, so I couldn't really record like that. But yeah, that shit was a vibe, bro. That shit was cool. But right now, we headed to my aunt's house. And that's my dad's side family to chill. Yeah, right now we're on the road. Not really on the road, but we're on the way there. I had to get some gas. My chain's right now on E. Yeah, bro. But that being said, I mean, ain't nothing special going on today. It's just a little reset day. Tomorrow's Sunday. God bless. Yeah. Tomorrow's Sunday. My grandparents come to church, which I'm really excited for, because as they getting older, they don't really come out to church like that. But they come in Sunday because it's the church anniversary, and I'm excited. I really am. Yeah, other than that, I'm not really doing so much today. I really just relaxed this morning. I mean, I wasn't really out late last night because I didn't really do nothing other than that. But yeah, I think right now we finna just ride, listen to some music, whatever. And yeah, yeah, it is. But yeah, I'm finna, I'll update y'all when I get a little closer. Cause they having a cookout for my aunt. But shit, if y'all know anything about black people, bro, they don't move on time for nothing. So, that being said, I might get something small to eat to hold me over. I haven't eaten nothing since breakfast, and I was at like 8 something. Yeah, so I'm gonna make something to eat slow. I'm gonna get something to eat so I can hold myself over until we eat there. Cause knowing them, they don't be on time, bro. I'm hungry, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, with that being said, hope you're having a good day. Hope you're having a blessed day. Bro, I can't believe we're already in July, bro. Where did June and May go? And watch, Thanksgiving and Christmas, all that, and Halloween, gonna be here in no time, bro. But yeah, with that being said, bro, I'm finna just ride, listen to music, and I'll catch y'all when we get closer. No cap. I see the bracelets. I don't know if you can see it. It says God first, I'm second. So yeah, God comes first, bro. Whether you like it or not, He comes first. So you usually gotta give your life down. That's all it is to it. Hey man, so we just pulled up. Right now my parents get here. I gotta help them with some stuff. So right now I'm just chilling in the car. Yeah. Ain't nothing going on for real. Y'all see me? I like a little.
What?
But yeah, man, we're just sitting here chilling right now. You know, my parents, let me go inside. So with that being said, the camera gonna be inside with me. You know, I'm feeling be wilder. I might record something, but might not. If not, catch y'all tomorrow. I'm probably gonna still catch y'all later today if I do something else after this. No cap, you did. Hold on, I know I just ended the last clip. I got that. Alright, man, so welcome back to the vlog. It's a little late night POV session, bro. You know, we in the whiskey, just chilling. Whatever. Yeah, man. It's the first time I'm trying this. I know it's late, but since the lights and everything done, y'all see. But yeah, right now we're just cruising, chilling, whatever. Cruise control set. I'm just cruising. I feel like I'm floating though, but I'm not. But yeah, we're on the way home. Party was a success. My aunt had a great birthday. I'm just blessed that she's still here. Yeah, so other than that, so it was really a successful day, bro. I got to catch up with some sleep. And tomorrow, I'm going to church. My grandma's coming. My grandparents coming. And yeah, and after that, I'm gonna just lock in, just some little work, whatever, for school. And yeah, I ain't doing nothing crazy the rest of the night. We just on the way home, chilling, listening to some tunes. Yeah, that's really about it. I ain't really doing the rest of the night. I'm gonna go home to play the game. I might stream if my homeboys are too. I might stream a little bit for a little one time. And yeah, yeah. I think other than that, we're probably just gonna vibe out and just, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna vibe out and just relax the rest of the night. And then church tomorrow. It's a blessed day. Can't wait to hear the word. Yeah, man. Hope y'all having a good day. Hope y'all had a blessed day today. Hope y'all had some fun. Hope you're having a safe 4th of July weekend. Yeah, with that being said, I'll probably catch y'all tomorrow. No cap. But actually though, before I go, I might just throw in like a little, some more POV shots of me driving or whatever. Yeah. So that being said, catch y'all in the morning. No cap. Alright, man, so it's now Sunday. Welcome back. But they putting car washes everywhere, bro. Golly. Yeah, I'm on the way to church with my parents and my grandparents today. Yeah, happy Sunday. Yeah, I gotta bring out a verse for the day. Proverbs 18:21, and it reads, "The tongue has the power of life and death, and those who love it will eat its fruit." So pretty much saying that it's up to you if you speak positive or negative about yourself. Because literally, your tongue can literally get you killed. So that's why they're saying, speak highly of yourself. Don't speak doubt. Don't speak doubt. Because once you start speaking doubt, that's when you start having anxiety and you start thinking, oh, I'm not good enough for this or that. That's not the case, bro. God made everybody a certain way. So give it to God, bro. Don't hold it. Don't try to start speaking that. If you start thinking them thoughts, give it to God. Because I promise you, He's going to be the one that'll take it away. While the devil just going to try to keep it. He'll try to keep it, like, going. You dig what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah, we just pulled to church. Finna just go in here. Help my mom and dad out. Yeah. So I'll probably catch y'all after. No cap. Stay blessed. Alright, man. So, you know, cops really be on me. Like, you know what I'm saying? They really be glazing. But anyway, I had to let that be known. But let's not digress. Church was good. My grandparents had a great time, bro. Cause they haven't really been to a physical church in a while. So they definitely enjoyed themselves. Yeah, they had a great time. I'm glad they had a great time. Hopefully they can come more often, something like that. I'm hoping they can come more often, because they definitely enjoyed it, and it's good to get them out the house sometimes. Yeah, I think the rest of the day, bro, I'm ready to just be chilling. I'm ready to do some schoolwork. Ready to pre-order this college football and all that stuff. So yeah. During this week, I'm just gonna be working, whatever, school, working out. And usually I don't vlog during the week because I don't really have time. But yeah. With that being said, bro, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and post notifications. Stay blessed. Be thankful that you're still here another day. And with that being said, bro, we out. No cap.
OG, bitch, hell nah, ain't no game. Yo, only good energy in my body, bitch, how I'm rocking today. Call out my twin with the K. Pull up, bucking, hey, bitch, I'm playing.